Okay, according to Law Capital, the law firm representing Speed Darlington, you know, there are two law firms now they carry matter for head now. One is Detention and Partners, the other one is Law Capital. We don't know who be real lawyers, but every time there have been press statements over this matter, now Law Capital, Stan Aleke, now they already drop updates. Stan Aleke just made us to understand today that Akpi go stay prison till January. Why? When he was supposed to be arraigned in court earlier on, they said the judges go judges conference. And next week, then they go holiday for the year. So the matter go reach January and he still dey cell. Why was he arrested? The first time when police grant him bail, they say jump bail. Say go America. When they need him, they no see him. But according to Deji Adeyanju, he said they told the police that he was going to travel and come back. So why the police was arresting him for traveling is what they don't understand. Those are details that only the both of them have. But if we are supposed to believe that, Deji Adeyanju is supposed to show us proof that they actually talked to the police that this guy is traveling. That time we want defense fidelity and it will make sense. But for now, to the best of our knowledge, the police is totally right. Long story short, Speed Darlington's case, they don't charge them to court. Which means at this juncture, none of us get right to talk whether Speed Darlington is right or wrong anymore. Whether Bonabo is right or wrong anymore. According to the Constitution of Nigeria, once a matter is in court, we cannot preempt the court. We let them do their job. What I am doing here is telling you that Speed Darlington's case has been charged to court. One. Secondly, he goes still custody till January. Forget it. He's doing New Year in January. Let me show you this press statement by Law Capital at the comeback. Speed Darlington's illegal incarceration, the update. Over the past days, my colleagues and I have faced unfounded accusation of failing in our professional responsibilities by not properly advising our clients. Akpi Speed Darlington. Such claims are baseless. As a lawyer, I consistently prioritize the interests of my clients, from your favorite musicians to the popular content creators, the big bloggers, and all those who retain my services as their lawyer or legal advisor. My team and I actively monitor and review their social media content, prompting and advising them to take down posts with legal risks. The same diligence is applied to Akpi Speed Darlington. I firmly believe in crisis prevention over crisis management. A good lawyer does not wait for an opportunity to litigate. Instead, proactive measures must be taken to prevent disputes. Knowing the inefficiencies of the judicial system, we advise our clients to avoid trouble. For instance, Akpi was not arraigned last week because the judges were at a conference, and by next week, the courts will shut down for the festive season until January. This is why litigation is treated as a last resort after exhausting other options, including alternative dispute resolution. That being said, the matter has now been formally charged to court. As his legal counsel, my opinion on whether I defend Burna Boy or whether the police acted ultra vires no longer hold weight. Similarly, the opinions of the public, whether driven by emotion, biases, or support to any party, are irrelevant. The case is now sub judice. That is, it is under judicial consideration, and only the court has the authority to adjudicate and decide who is right or wrong in this instance. But I will always emphasize that defamation or not, which is the substantive issue, our client is entitled to bail as statutorily provided in Section 35, subsection 4 of the Nigerian Constitution and Section 158 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. It is also important to point out that defamation has been decriminalized under Nigerian law, and any person who feels defamed has the right to seek redress by way of damages in a civil action. The police or any other law enforcement agency therefore has no jurisdiction or justification to intervene in such matters. Finally, for those seeking updates on the matter, it is currently before the Federal High Court Abuja, Court 13. Since it is now a matter of public record, you are free to visit the court registry to obtain updates directly. Stan Aleke, Esquire, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, Stan Aleke made this post 9-10 hours ago, telling us that Fidelity go dey custody till January. But 7-8 hours ago, which is after Stan Aleke had made this post, Deji Adeyanju posted on Twitter and said they have refused to still charge Fidelity into court. But Stan Aleke is telling us here that the case is now before the court. So now we don't know if Deji Adeyanju has not gotten his facts as at the time he made that post, or something is wrong, because we're having conflicting news, right? When the matter is already in court, we can no longer say whether one person is right or wrong. By the Constitution of Nigeria, once case not the court, we don't get it right to tell you, say, they right, or the Fidelity they right. It's called preempting the court. So you have to wait and let the court give the final say, because the court is the only person that have the power to give a decision at that time. Some people like Stan Aleke believe that they should remove the criminal parts from defamation suit, because you can file defamation suit two ways. You fit decide to file am civil, you fit decide to file am criminal. Wetin Femi Falana file against Very Dark Man is a civil suit, but yet we still dey insult Femi Falana. Funny enough, but wetin Burna Boy file is a criminal suit. Once a criminal suit is involved, it treats you as a criminal. The reason why Fidelity is being arrested or still in custody is because they first give am bail, he can't go America. Deji Adeyanju is insisting that he told the police before he went to America. But we don't know that, because Deji Adeyanju has not given us any proof to show that surely he told the police before he went to America. Now, I believe that you cannot remove the criminal part from the defamation suit. What I think should be done is that the law should be amended so that not all type of defamation will now be criminal suits. And I will explain why. If you come, you see Prince Will, they work out for road. You cause a thief, oh thief, not thief. He thief my money. You see, before people go ask question, bottle and wood could not fly. If I want to sue you at that time, I will not sue you as a civil suit. Because that level of defamation is an accusation, and it can incite to cause a physical harm on me. God forbid, you know. But if you come and say, Prince Will, that house when you tell they do video, not be house, so no man amo. Now somebody money way borrow, we not going pay. Now it did there. Or one of the guy we tell us say did the house and they travel. Now I not going come out again. I can ask file a civil suit against you if you cannot prove that type of defamation. But once defamation can incite and cause physical harm, bro, the person filing a suit will file a criminal suit, not verse. As for Afe Babalola versus Dele Farotimi, there is no way whatever Dele Farotimi wrote can cause physical harm to Afe Babalola. Maybe financial harm, and put his name in reputation, yes. And put the reputation of his name in danger, yes. So that's a civil suit. Ask for 2 billion if you like. Sue him for everything you have. They let him go and prove what he has said. You know, but you cannot remove criminal charge from defamation. If not, once you do that, Nigerians will take advantage of it and start to cause. But as well, let's wait and see how the matter they go. But before we even see how the matter they go now next year, because on the look of things, Fidelity go take custody till January. It is well.